Good morning, class. Today we are going to begin with chapter number 11, that is problems on measurement. Page number 64, chapter number 11, that is problems on measurement. Now your problem set 46 is add, subtract and the word problems are there. Okay children, so we'll begin with addition. Addition first sum is rupees 9.50 paise plus rupees 14.60 paise. We have to add it. Okay children, so we'll begin with problem set number 46. Problem set 46. First sum, it is what? Addition. Right children? Yes. First write the question. So the question is what? Rupees 9.50 paise plus rupees 14.60 paise. So now the same method of addition and subtraction, the method you all have learnt in the previous lesson, right children? Now this is what? Rupees and paise. So we can write here R and P, leave one line. Now write here 9 and here 50. In the second line write 14 and 60. Here addition. Okay children? Now this becomes 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 carry, 1 goes here, right? Now this is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, carry 1, this becomes 2, 24 rupees and 10 paise. What is the answer? 24 rupees. So write it in the answer form. Answer is equals to rupees 24 and 10 paise. Right children? Understood? Simple, isn't it? So coming to the second question. Your second question is 6 centimeters 5 millimeters plus 7 centimeters and 9 millimeters. Right children? So now centimeters and millimeters, write on the top centimeters and millimeters, leave one line, write here 5, here you will write 6 and here you will write 5. Here you will write 7 and here you will write 9. Understood children? Clear? So 5 plus 9 is what? 14. 1 carry 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14.4. Answer is equals to, this is what? 14 centimeters. So write here 14 centimeters and 4 millimeters. Understood children? I hope you all have understood. It is very easy. It is the same method we did in the previous chapter. Right children? Only thing, when you do these sums, you should know the conversion. Rupees, paise, then rupees, paise, kilometer, meter. You should know to convert it. Okay children? Coming to the third question. Now your third question is third question is 22 meters 50 centimeters plus 25 meters 75 centimeters. Okay children? Now same method, meters and centimeters, leave one line, 22, here comes 5, here comes 25, and here comes 75, right? Addition. So now what to do? Now this is what? 5, no? This is 5. This is 22, this is 5, this is 25, this is 75. So what should you do here? You should add 0, no? Where you are going to add 0, here or here? This is 50. So in 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100. So this will become 50, like this. Understood? Arrange properly one below the other. This will come 50, this will come 75. Okay, children? Now this is 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the answer? Your answer is 48 meters and 25 centimeters. Understood, children? Easy, no? So now I'll do one more sum. Remaining 2 sums you will have to do on your own. I'll be doing the 4th sum. Okay, I'll do the 4th sum. Your 4th question is 15 kilometers, 740 meters plus 13 kilometers and 950 meters. So this is kilometers and meters. 15 and 740. Here write 13 and 950. Right, children? So here. So children, now add this. This becomes 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 and 1. Correct? 16. This is 5 plus 3, 8. 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, children? Understood? Now this one is like if you write it here, will be one and the same thing. Instead of writing here, you can carry it straight away here. So this will become 4, 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, children? So your answer will become, what is your answer? Answer is 29 kilometers, 690 meters. Got it, children? What did I do? This is 16. 7 plus 9 is 16. So don't write 16 here. This 1 will be carried over on 5 as it is. This is 1000, no? 1690. So 1000 is 1 kilometer. So it is carried here. That's why it becomes 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So it became 9. Understood, children? If this answer is 1000 or more than 1000, you have to write that 1000 here in this column. 1000 here will be written as 1. Understood? Because this is kilometer and this is meter. I hope you all have understood. I will be doing one more sum of the same kind. That is sum number 5. Yes, sum number 5, that is 25 kgs, 650 grams plus 29 kgs, 770 grams. Okay, children? So this is kg and grams. This is 25 and 650. Here comes 29 and 770. Now what you have to do? Add. This is 0. 5 plus 7 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14. 1 we will be writing here. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry 1. This becomes 3 and 2, 5. Okay, children. So what is the answer? Answer is 55 kgs 420 grams. Right, children? So I hope it is very clear. You all have understood very well. So now only one sum is remaining, sum number 6. Now sum number 6 is your homework. Only one sum given in one question, that is sum number 6 is given as homework. Okay. Now moving further, coming to the second question, that is subtraction. What is that? Subtraction. Same format. Coming to the second question. Now your second question is subtraction. Right? First sum is rupees 19.50 paise minus rupees 12.60 paise. Right, children? So this is what? Rupees and paise. 19 and 50 minus 12 and 60. Now here you have to pay attention. Addition was easy. Now while subtracting you have to do proper conversion, then only you will be able to solve the sum correctly. Now this is rupees and this is paise. This is 50, this is 60. Can you subtract? No. That means what? You have to borrow. Now when you borrow from 9, 9 becomes 8. Correct? Now in our usual subtraction, regularly what do? We subtract 1 here, we add 1 here. So we will not be adding 1 here, we will be adding here 100. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. 100 paise plus 50 paise is equals to 150 paise. Now from 150 minus 60. Understood, children? You have to add this. 100 plus 50 becomes 150. From 150, that same is repeated here. From this 150 minus 60. So you will be getting what? 0 minus 0 is 0. 5. Take this. Borrow from 1. This becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now this is 8. 8 minus 6, 2 is 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is your answer? Your answer is 6 rupees and 90 paise. It is 6 what? 6 rupees and 90 paise. Understood, children? 6 rupees 90 paise. Coming to the second question. Now your second question is 24 centimeters 2 millimeters minus 3 centimeter and 8 millimeters. Okay, children? Now what you are going to do here? Here you have to do the sum in the same method. Centimeters, millimeters. Leave one line. Here write 24 and here you write 2. Here you are writing 3 and here you are writing 8. Right, children? Now since both are single digit, no need to do anything. It is very simple. Minus sign, subtract. Now this is 2. Now 2 means you have to borrow. Correct? When you borrow this, what will happen? It is like cut this 4. Here comes 3. Now here you have to write 10. This is one you took, no? Centimeters, millimeters, it is 10. So it will be as simple as 12 again. So this 2 will be cut and you will get 12. 1 centimeter, when you convert into millimeter, it will become 10. 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. So when you change this, it becomes 12. Now 12 minus 8 is what? Tell me. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now this becomes 3. 3 minus 3 is 0 and 2 will be as it is. So your answer is what? Your answer is 20 centimeters and 4 millimeters. Only thing you have to take care while subtracting is convert it properly from centimeter to meter, from rupee to paise, from kilogram to gram. Pay attention there. Then the remaining part is regularly done subtraction method. Okay, coming to the third sum. Your third sum is 20 meters 30 centimeters minus 17 meters and 60 centimeters. Right? So what you have to write here? Meters and centimeters. Right? Next comes 20. Here you have to write 30. Here comes 17. Here you have to write 60. Now which is the sign? Minus. Then minus it. Now what? Children, 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? Tell me. 100. So this is when you cut this becomes 19. This becomes 100 plus 30 is equals to 130. Now here 130 subtract 60. Got it? Okay. Now 13, 0 minus 0 is 0. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Got it, children? Understood how I got 130? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So this is borrowed. 1 is borrowed. So I borrowed 100 centimeters. So this is 30. 100 plus 30 becomes 130. Now this is the total. From this 130 you have to subtract 60. So that is done here. So minus, what did you get? 70. And here you got 2. So write the final answer. Answer is equals to 2 meters and 70 centimeters. Understood? Coming to the fourth question. Your fourth question is what? Now coming to the fourth question. Your fourth question is 40 kilometers 255 meters minus 17 kilometers 960 meters. So we will do the sum like this, kilometers and meters. Leave one line. Here comes 40. Here comes 255 minus 17 960 minus sign. Okay, children. Now can we minus this? Can we subtract? No. So we have to borrow from here. 40 becomes 39, and here when you give 1, what are you giving? 1, 10, 100 or 1000? It is kilometer to meter. It is 1000. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Plus, now this you have to add. This becomes 255 is equals to 1255. Got it, children? So write here 1255 subtract 960. Okay, children? Now 5 minus 0 is 5. This is 5. 5 minus 6. Can't do it. Borrow from here. This becomes 15. This becomes 1. Now this is 15 minus 6 is 9. This becomes what? 11. 11 minus 9 is how much? 2. So your answer is 295. And here 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 1 is again 2. So what is your answer? Your answer is equals to 22 kilometers and 295 meters. Right? Understood, children, how I got the answer? So please remember to convert properly. If you don't convert properly, you get wrong answer. The fifth sum. So again here there are 6 questions. 1 will be given as homework. Now I am doing the fifth sum, that is 35 kg 150 grams minus 26 kg 470 grams. So this is kg and this is grams. This is 35 150, here is 26 and 470 minus, so kg and grams, 1 kg has 1000 grams. So what you are going to do is cut this, right here 34, right here 1000 plus 150 is equals to 1150. Right children, this is 1150. From that what you have to do, you have to write here 1150 minus 470. Okay, now subtract. This is 0, this is 5 minus 7, not possible. Borrow from here, this becomes 0. This is 15, 15 minus 7 is 8. Now this is 0, borrow from here, this becomes 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. Right children, we got 680. Now coming to this side, this is 4 minus 6, again not possible. Borrow from here, this becomes 2, this becomes 14. This becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So your answer is equals to 8 kgs 680 grams. Understood children? Very easy now? Very easy method. Now sum number 6 will be homework. Sum number 6 is homework. That was all for today. We'll continue in our next lecture. Thank you. Till the time, stay home, stay safe.